Hi, I'm Dr. Stu Hoffman, President of ChiroSecure, and back again with another risk management tip for you. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever received a request from a patient for their records and a refund for the care that they received just because they didn't feel as if they got the results they were looking for and they went to see another doctor? Nobody likes to get that call. First, as a chiropractor, we always want to help everybody that walks through our door. Second, nobody likes to have their care scrutinized by another doctor. And last, if they are asking for their money back, there may be some other motive other than that they didn't get better. Once you get past your initial emotional reaction to that call, you need to stop and get your ASS in gear. Analyze, scrutinize, and strategize. Analyze in your mind how you viewed the interaction with the patient as best you can, and then write it down. Did you feel that the patient was doing better? Did the patient give you any signs that they were not satisfied with the way that the care was progressing? Was there anything regarding your care, your examination, your x-rays, your analysis, your diagnosis, or your prognosis that you felt was subpar in any way or that could have been done better? Now, scrutinize your notes and see if your notes reflected the analysis you just wrote down. Do you feel that your notes are in order? Is there anything in your notes or missing from your notes that you would be concerned about? After you analyze and scrutinize, it is time to strategize as your next step. Do not, and I repeat, do not strategize on your own or with a well-meaning colleague. Neither you nor they have the experience to know all of the intricacies of dealing with this. If you are a ChiroSecure client, and you should be, then I am your strategy partner. I have been doing this longer than most of you have been practicing, and I can tell you it requires experience. As we like to say, we are the leader in avoiding claims, and for good reason. Should you call the patient back, and when? What should you do if you recognize after you analyze and scrutinize that something you've done may be subpar? What if you took x-rays and when you scrutinize them you realize that they were not of good diagnostic quality, at least according to what your licensing board would say? What about your patient's request for their money back? Should you offer it to them? Do you know what to do before you send the records that the patient is requesting? Do you know the signs as to whether this could escalate to a licensing board issue or worse? Remember, this is a business decision, not an emotional decision. Now here's the takeaway. I started ChiroSecure as a chiropractor over 24 years ago, and I built it on the premise that malpractice insurance is much, much more than just a premium that you pay. For us at ChiroSecure, it is about relationships and partnerships, and these situations call for strategy partners to help you make the right decisions because every one of these situations can be unique. So let me ask you one more question. Who's your strategy partner? Because that is what malpractice insurance is really about. Until next time, I'm Dr. Stu Hoffman. Please like us on Facebook, and I'll look forward to bringing you another ChiroSecure risk management tip again.